stuck? Wait, are we stuck? Yes! This is really blocked! It's really blocked from us! Oh, seriously? Why are we stuck? Does that mean we won't find the bottle again? No! And if we don't find the bottle, Rainbow will be mad at us! Oh man, what should we do now? Well, we should get us out of here, right?